If Lightroom is not launching on your computer, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a super common problem, and in many cases, it's caused by a corrupted preference file, an outdated version, or a graphics setting that Lightroom doesn't like. The good news is, you can usually get it working again without losing your photos or catalog. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into the first and most effective fix. First, we're going to reset Lightroom preferences. This is often the best solution when Lightroom refuses to open, freezes on launch, or crashes immediately after starting. If you're using Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic on Windows, close Lightroom if it's running in the background, then hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard while opening Lightroom again. Keep holding those keys until you see a prompt asking if you want to reset preferences. Click Yes to confirm. This will restore Lightroom's settings back to default, which often fixes launch issues caused by damaged preferences. If you're on a Mac, the process is similar, but the key combination will be different. The idea is the same. Force Lightroom to rebuild its settings from scratch. Once the reset is complete, try opening Lightroom normally and see if it loads correctly. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If Lightroom still will not launch, the next thing to do is update it through Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer and make sure you are signed in with the same Adobe account connected to Lightroom. Then look for Lightroom in your installed apps list. If you see an update button, click Update and let it finish completely. Sometimes Lightroom fails to open simply because the installed version is outdated or has a bug that was already fixed in a newer release. After the update is done, restart your computer and try launching Lightroom again. Now, let's check the GPU settings, because graphics acceleration can sometimes cause Lightroom to crash on startup. If Lightroom opens even briefly, go to Preferences, then Performance. Look for the option that says Use GPU and disable it if it's enabled. Some computers, especially those with older graphics drivers or incompatible GPUs, can have issues when this setting is turned on. Turning it off can make Lightroom much more stable. After changing the setting, close Lightroom and reopen it to test whether the launch issue is gone. If Lightroom still will not start after that, the last option is to reinstall it. This should only be your final step because the earlier fixes are usually enough. Uninstall Lightroom from your computer, then go back to Adobe Creative Cloud and install it again from there. Reinstalling gives you a fresh copy of the app and can fix damaged program files that are preventing it from opening. Just remember, your Lightroom catalog and photos are usually separate from the app itself, so reinstalling the software does not normally delete your library. So to quickly recap, reset preferences first, update through Creative Cloud next, check and disable GPU usage if needed, and finally reinstall Lightroom if nothing else works. These steps solve most Lightroom launch problems fast and safely. If this tutorial helped you get Lightroom working again, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.